Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about a topic called time and work. In that we have to going to discuss about efficiency. What do you mean by efficiency? Efficiency means it is a work to the days. Let's see some problems and analyze what is efficiency. So, coming to the first problem. A can do a work in 15 days and B in 20 days. If they work it together for 4 days, then the fraction of the work left is. So, here A can complete a work in 15 days. So, A's 1 day work. A's 1 day work is what? 1 by 15. So, here 1 by 15 is the efficiency of A. Then B can complete a work in 20 days. Then B's 1 day work is 1 by 20. Here they worked together for 4 days. We have to first we have to know the A and B together 1 day work. So A plus B is equals to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Here the largest one is 20. So here LCM is 21's 20, 22's 40 is not divisible by 15 and 23 60. 60 is divisible by both the numbers. So 60 is a multiple of both the numbers. So 54's and 23's. That is 7 by 60. A plus B 1 day work is 7 by 60 and they worked for 4 days. So 4 day work is 7 by 60 into 4. So here 2 2's, 2 30's, 2 1's, 2 15's. That is 7 by 15. So 7 by 15 of the work is completed. So what is the question? The fraction of the work left is 7 by 15 part of the work is completed. The remaining work is. So we know that the work completed means it is equals to 1. So the remaining work is is 1 minus 7 by 15. That is 15 minus 7 by 15. That is 8 by 15. 8 by 15 part of the work is left and they both together worked for 4 days and they have completed 7 by 15th part of the work. That's it. Next one. A can do a bit of work in 8 days. B alone can do it in 10 days. In how many days together can complete the work? This is a very simple problem. So, A can complete a work in 8 days. So, 1 day work. 1 day work is 1 by 8. B's 1 day work is 1 by 10. Both can complete a work in how many days? A plus B is equals to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 10. So here the LCM is 80. So 8 tens, 10 eights, 18 by 80. So 2 nines, 2 40s, 9 by 40. So here efficiency is 9 by 40. The number of days efficiency here efficiency and days both are inversely proportional. So the number of days to complete the work together by A and B is 40 by 9 days. So both can complete the work in 40 by 9 days. So in some cases it is given in a mixed fraction. So we have to write it 9 3's 27, 9 4's 36. So here 4 by 9 days. That's it. He takes 40 by 9 days or 4 by 9 days. Next question. Here. A and B can do a bit of work in 12 days. B and C can do it in 15 days. While C and A can do it in 20 days. In how long will they complete it cooperating additionally? In how long can A alone can do it? So, here given that A plus B can complete the work in 12 days and B plus C can complete the work in 15 days and C plus A can complete the work in 20 days. So, here we have to find A plus B together. Efficiency is 1 by 12. B plus C together efficiency is 1 by 15. C plus A is 1 by 20. We have to find all the three together can complete the work in cooperating or together means both the same. So we have to add all these equations. So A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A. We get 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. So here we got 2 of A plus B plus C. So here the LCM is 60, 12 5s 15 4s and 23. So 5 4 9, 9 plus 3 12 by 60, that is 1 by 5. So here A plus B plus C is equals to 1 by 10. So 1 day work is 1 day work is 1 by 10. So A plus B plus C can complete the entire work in how many days? 10 days. So its reciprocal is 10 days. So in the problem given that A alone can do it in how many days? So A plus B plus C is 1 by 10. So here given that B plus C can together complete a work in 15 days. So we have to eliminate this 15 from this entire 1 by 10. So we can get A plus B plus C is 1 by 15 is equals to 1 by 10. So that we can get A alone can complete the work in how many days? So that A is equals to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. Here LCM is 30, 10 3s 15 2s, that is 1 by 30. So A's efficiency is 1 by 30 and A can complete the work alone in how many days? 30 days. So all the three can together complete the work in 10 days. Only A can complete the work in 30 days. That's it. Thank you.